How to use ChatGPT for early childhood education. ChatGPT is an AI language model that can be utilized to enhance early childhood education in various ways. Here are some possible ways that ChatGPT can be used in early childhood education. 1. Language learning. ChatGPT can be used to help children learn languages by providing interactive language exercises, vocabulary lists, and grammar explanations. Studies have shown that chatbots can be effective in improving language learning outcomes for children. Source: The Effectiveness of Chatbots in Language Learning, a Systematic Review, by Adit Yajari and Avneet Kaur. For more info Adit Yajari, go to http://mason.gmu.edu//jori. Related links. 1.1. Chatbots in Language Learning, AI Systems on the Rise, https://files.eric.ed.gov/fulltext/ed625175.pdf. 1.2 Chatbots for language learning, are they really useful? A systematic review of chatbot-supported language learning, https://eric.ed.gov/question_language+learning&pr=id=ej1. 4. 1.3 Chatbots are machine learning their way to human language, https://www.forbes.com/site/adrianbridge/2020/08/0-0/chatbots-are-way-to-human-language. 2. Storytelling. ChatGPT can be used to enhance storytelling activities for children. For example, the chatbot can generate personalized stories based on children's interests, preferences, and responses. Research has shown that storytelling activities can improve children's language, cognitive, and social-emotional skills. Source: The Power of Storytelling in Early Childhood Education, by Robin S. Greenier. For more info Robin S. Greenier, go to https://education.uconn.edu/person/robin-greenier. Related links. 2.1. The use of storytelling methods by teachers and their effects on children's understanding and attention span, https://files.eric.ed.gov/dj12722117.pdf. 2.2 Literacy Teaching Toolkit Storytelling, https://www.education.bic.gov.au/childhood/professional/learning/ec literacy/interacting with author/pages/storytelling.g.aspx. 3. Problem solving. ChatGPT can be used to help children develop their problem-solving skills by presenting them with various problems and scenarios. Chatbots can provide feedback and guidance to help children improve their problem-solving abilities. Research has shown that problem-based learning can improve children's critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Source: Problem-Based Learning, a review of the literature on its outcomes and implementation issues, by M.A. Albanese and S.J. Mitchell. For more info Robin S. Greenier, go to https://education.uconn.edu/person/robin-greenier. Related links. 3.1 Problem-Based Learning, a review of literature on its outcomes and implementation issues, https://pubmed.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov/8447896. 3.2 Problem-Based Learning, /citt.ufl.edu/resources/student-engagement/adopting-active-learning-approaches/problem-based-learning. 3.3 Problem-Based Learning, PBL https://citl.illinois.edu/citl-101/teaching-learning/resources/teaching-strategy/problem-based-learning/PBL. 3.4 Problem-Based Learning, Putting Problems into Practice, s://cpet.tc.columbia.edu/news-press/problem-based-learning-putting-problems-into-practice. 3.5 Problem-Based Learning, a student-centered approach, https://files.eric.ed.gov/fulltext/ej121228.3.pdf. 4. Assessment. ChatGPT can be used to assess children's knowledge and understanding of different subjects. The chatbot can ask questions and evaluate children's responses to determine their level of comprehension. Studies have shown that computer-based assessments can be more engaging and effective than traditional paper and pencil tests. Source: The Effectiveness of Computer-Based Testing, a meta-analysis, by D.D. Hambleton, D.A. Blake, and J.A.J. Rusas. Related links. 4.1. Computer-based vs. paper-based examinations, perceptions of university teachers, https://files.eric.ed.gov/fulltext/ej989302.pdf. 4.2. Digital Commons @sum, https://digitalcommons.csumb.edu/cgi/viewcontent.c =$1879 & context =$caps_thes_all 4.3 Evaluating outcomes of computer-based classroom testing, student acceptance and impact on learning and exam performance, https://pubmed.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov/295331005. 4.4 Comparing between computer-based tests and paper and pencil-based tests, https://files.eric.edu.gov/fulltext/ej11495222.pdf. 5. Learning support. ChatGPT can be used to provide additional learning support to children who are struggling with a particular topic or subject. For instance, the chatbot can provide explanations, examples, and visual aids to help children understand difficult concepts. Research has shown that personalized learning can improve children's academic performance and motivation. Source: Personalized Learning, a guide for engaging students with technology, by Peggy Grant and Dale Bassi. Related links: 5.1. Learning support, CA Department of Education https://www.cde.ca.gov/ls. 5.2 Learning support National Louis University, https://nl.edu/learning-support. 5.3 Learning support program, https://academics.georgesoutherton.edu/success/learning-support. 6. Social and emotional learning. ChatGPT can be used to support social and emotional learning in children. The chatbot can provide activities and scenarios that help children develop their social and emotional skills, such as empathy, self-awareness, and relationship building. Studies have shown that social and emotional learning can improve children's academic performance, mental health, and overall well-being. Source: The Impact of Social and Emotional Learning for Kindergarten to 8th Grade Students, a meta-analysis, by Joseph A. Durlich, Roger P. Weisberg, Allison B. Dumnicki, Rebecca D. Taylor, and Kristen B. Schellinger. Related links: 6.1. What is social emotional learning? Cell Why It Matters, https://www.nu.edu/blog/social-emotional-learning-cell-why-it-matters-for-educators. 6.2 Defining social emotional learning, https://www.gse.harvard.edu/news/uk/20/01/defining-social-emotional-learning. To use ChatGPT effectively in early childhood education, it is essential to design engaging and age-appropriate activities that align with the learning objectives and standards. Teachers should also ensure that the chatbot's responses are accurate, helpful, and supportive. Additionally, it is crucial to monitor children's engagement and progress to evaluate the effectiveness of ChatGPT in enhancing early childhood education.